Hi there, Tama here, and today I want to share a tech tip about using Chat GPT. It's all the rage, so we need to get on the ball with that. And I'm all for being creative, but this does have some kind of neat features if you do use it appropriately. Okay, so on the main home screen, you of course can make an account. Um, there is a free and a paid version. From the moment, I just use the free. And down here, you ask what you would like it to do. So let's say I want it to summarize an article for me. I found one that's really too long. So I would go out and copy that article, and I just have an article here. So I'm going to copy the link. Okay. And I go back in here and I just ask it, please summarize this article. And I NV on the Mac. Okay. And okay, it's just an article on being a tech VA. And okay, instead of reading, 4 and 5 pages, it summarizes here. Let's say I want it, if I click up under please continue, perhaps I can ask it to shorten it. Okay, and it will be a little bit shorter. Okay, let's say I am wanting to really do anything here. You can ask it to do anything. Okay, you can ask it to write copy if you want. You can ask it to do research for you. So let's say, please research Boolean search terms. Okay, so it gives me some of that and how I can use that. Okay, so let's say it's going to be quite long. I can ask it to maybe expand. I could ask it to rewrite it because maybe I don't like the way that's doing it. So it has lots of different ways. I even it said I had a certain food ingredients in my cabinet. Can you find me a recipe? So there's lots of things you can do with Chat GPT. So have fun exploring.